Welcome to Wise Wicked Workshop. Today we're going to show you what's behind me. It's Ghostbusters related. Let's check it out. One day and almost 17 hours to get this far, and I come down this morning. This was off, and it was pushing this all over the place. Look at this. I never seen this before. I never seen that pop off before like that. But, yeah. So now I gotta start it all over again.
So this is what I call one of those cursed prints. Yeah, one thing after another. But, as always, you gotta fix it. I got some water washable resin that I use for my resin printer, and I proceeded to put it all over the place. I was really trying to get the areas that the printer messed up, and I did do multiple layers to make it look nice. And you come over here and you cure it with a UV light, and it gets really hot. You know, the chemical reaction. So here I am. I'm always jamming to music. That's why I don't do a lot of audio in the moment. AC/DC was really getting me pumped, baby. So then when I was satisfied with what it looked like, I did the sanding. Then I decided that when I was happy, I would try and fill in some of the holes and stuff with the primer filler there, and just so I could see all the high and low spots. A lot of sanding on this guy, so I figured I would keep on going using the resin routine, but gotta make sure you get it nice and clean so there isn't any dust or anything on it. Right here I got a little bit too thick in one spot as it cured, so I had to cut it off. Make sure you clean. You don't want any dust. 3 days later. Boom! For some reason I forgot to film myself painting. But you know the drill. Wow, I even had to take the rubber mallet to this guy, and I did have problems. I had to chop a lot of it off. Yeah, I'll explain some of it later, but it was really nice to get these 3 pieces together, glued it together, and getting close. I bought these lights, and I've been trying to, they're like a neon light, and I've been trying to use them for something, and it kind of looks good, but it just doesn't fit. So I wanted to try the LED lights and do them on the back, just to kind of give it like a backlighting, and that's what I went with. So I wanted to give it a nice heavy duty support.
So I just wanted to give you the size comparison or whatever to my big head. My head is pretty big, so it's pretty big. So there we go. We're like at least 20 and a half. 20 and a half wide there. Alright. So this isn't its final resting spot, but it's gonna sit here for now until I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Yeah. But I love it. It was fun. It's so much easier. When I was making the little guys, they were all printed in one go. But I went back to check, and I actually had it split up in 3. So that was awesome. So this is one piece, this is another piece, and this is another. So it really made painting and everything a lot easier. The only hard part that I had was this bottom part was a lot bigger, so I had to like play with it. Same thing with this one. I couldn't get, there's like a little spot, like a little notch on the head. It's kind of cut out so that way it'll sit on the sign itself. I had to cut out a bunch of that, so I don't know what happened there, but just something yeah, if you go to try it, just something to look forward to. Or maybe you could figure out, maybe the sizing was wrong when he saved it or something. I don't know. But anyway, it's perfect now. It looks great. I love it. I've always wanted one of these signs. Here we go. It's big enough for me. I mean, the one probably up on the firehouse is huge. But this is a perfect size for me. It'll look good in the bar. Peace.